Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, smash that thumbs up button. The tire rotation on a Ford Explorer 2023, 2024, also a 22 and a 21. Once you get the vehicle up in the air, support it with jacks and jack stands, you're going to take the passenger rear. It's going to go straight forward to the passenger front. Then you're going to take the passenger front and place it on the driver's rear. Then you come on the driver's side. You're going to take the driver's rear and place it on the driver front. Then you're going to take the driver front and place it on the passenger rear. Make sure you torque them to the proper torque specs. Also, after you drive about 100 miles, recheck your torques on your lug nuts. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. Y'all have a great day.